Malay, yo ik mo kainga. Malay tao ma he fin. Um, yes, we're back. Um, yeah, for hiwa ku mga game mo DJ Lau he tai nim. Ko for hiwa ko mau mo smia ga da be for hiwa ko ni ko just an illusion. Kako for version ko de mai mo lau. Ko for reggae just an illusion. But a mix e uhiwa ka to. Ai ko whakatonga, whakamoa, whapalangi, pe moi whakawhisi. Pea, iyo. Au te ake hike fo hiwa ia, ka koe fo i osmaa fo i piti. Ai ko osi pe fo i live ko ni kumanga au mo DJ Lau ki ono hike fo i hiwa ko ni. Pea, maha koe ma hiki whakaos ben mo lau. Ya fola wa te tangata ki tonga. Ya toka pia taimi te fok mai tangata ki hopa te ma ki fa muna fai. Ka fe ma we ata ki foi temo e piti te kai ke hiki ha vokolo ia. Ko foi piti ala ta pe. Ka foi version ko foi reggae. O sea, mai tangata ini te ke fola wa te auto ple lulu. Shout out pe talat pe ofa tangata ki mo to do be ku mo me mai. Ko ya. Ako foi just an illusion. Fa palangi, fa tonga, fa moa, mo fa ka fish. Para pau ku ya fa niwe mo to hima lyrics. Kako foi PT eh. I've been told about living like a star. Hotel red champagne and caviar. I don't know the lyrics. Baby, don't you cry just an illusion. But yeah, even the beat is not really finished yet, but still working on it. But yeah, I'll go for PT here. But hope you guys like it. So yeah, I go ospe ni ma finga ki hiki mola for iwa. Pa ose pon ko tu pe ma te upload ti pom bego a ho double lulu. But yeah, like to make a shout out to Tahitua fa fitu malo bito afe mai ki live ki live go ni Ohilangi so many names I don't know. Pati, Taiwan, malo bito mo afe mai. Malo lele. But yeah, so that's the song. I mean, that's the beat, and probably upload the song tomorrow. Next tomorrow. I mean tomorrow, maybe, hopefully, or maybe Thursday. But yeah, yeah, we'll try to finish the song tonight and upload tomorrow for you guys to hear it. Just keep in mind that all the song that we make is free to download. Just go to our page and download from there. Um, so yeah, hope you guys like the remix. I'll just give you one last replay of the beat and maybe sing a little bit of live, and then we'll be done for the day. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Thought I knew how life should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Oh, I know. We love it. Give a low. But yeah, I think that's the English version of the song, and then yeah. But yeah, so it's gonna be English, Tongan, Samoan, and Fijian version. So stay tuned to download the song when it's upload. Peace, DJ Now and DJ Lau. Malamu mia mai o falati di motol. Peace.